الجنتان وعلى آله وصحبه الطاهران الهاديان أما بعد قال الرحمن في القرآن أعوذ بالله من الشيطان منبع الفسق والطغيان بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل للمؤمنين يغضوا من أبصارهم ويحفظوا فروجهم and says وقل للمؤمنات يغضضن من أبصارهن ويحفظن فروجهن صدق الله العظيم وصدق رسوله الكريم. Most esteemed teachers, venerable chairman, and my good listeners, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As you know well aware about today's forum, that is a special forum for 3rd year class on different topics of Jews and Bible. Dear fellows, in the Bible, so many things, fabrications, contradictions, and absurdities in the Bible. And some things are not able to mention in front of people, not like you, in front of common people. For example, cases of rapes and fables of incest, tales of incest, and or stories of incest in the Bible. So the topic which is given to me is incest in the Bible. Dear fellows, first of all, I want to tell you about the term of the Bible. What's the meaning of about the term of incest? What's the meaning of incest? According to New Collins Dictionary, the incest is that sexual intercourse between two persons who are too closely related. For example, brother and sister, father-in-law and daughter-in-law, father and daughter, and between son and mother. Dear brothers, you tell me, is it possible that Allah can reveal the blasphemy law? Allah can reveal the rapes, stories, and fable of incest in His book? Is it possible? You tell me. No, it's not possible. It's impossible. So it proves that the Bible, which is in this era, in this time, in this present age, it's not the God's word. Let me tell you about some examples of fables of incest in the Bible. First example, incest between father and daughters. Incest between fathers and daughters. Genesis chapter number 19, verse number 33. The elder sister said to her younger sister, our father is getting old and there is no man in the whole world to marry us and so that we can have children. Come on and let's make our father drunk so that we can sleep with him, and we can have children by him. At that night, they drank wine to drink. They gave him wine to drink, and elder sister had intercourse with him. The very next day, but he was so drunk he didn't know about it. The very next day, the elder sister said to her younger sister, I slept with him last night. Now drunk him again and you sleep with him tonight. At that night, they gave him wine to drink, and younger sister had intercourse with him. Again, he was so drunk he didn't know about it. In this way, both of Lut's daughter became pregnant by their own father. Dear brothers, is it possible that Allah can reveal the blasphemy of Prophet in His book? It's not impossible. It's not possible. It's impossible. And this fable of incest related with Lut alayhi salam, who was the messenger and who was the beloved prophet of Allah. Second example, incest between father-in-law and daughter-in-law. Genesis chapter number 38, verse number 15. When Judah saw her, he thought that he was a prostitute because she had her face covered. He went to her and said, okay, alright, how much do you charge? He said, how much do you charge? She replied, what will you give me? She replied, what will you give me? He answered, I will give you a young goat from my flock. She said, alright. After the commitment, they had intercourse, they had sexual intercourse, and she became pregnant by him. Means the daughter-in-law pregnant by her father-in-law. So this is the blasphemy in the Bible. Number third example, incest between son and mother. Genesis chapter number 35, verse number 22. While Jacob was living in that land, Reuben had sexual intercourse with Bilhah, who was the concubine of his father. Concubine and wives is the same word. It's a synonymous word in the Bible. Fourth example, incest between brother and sister. 2 Samuel chapter number 13, verse number 11 to 14. As she offered them to him, he grabbed her and said, come to bed with me. No, she said, no. Don't force me to do such a degrading thing. That is awful thing, man. That is awful. And how could I ever hold up my head in the public again? And you would be totally and completely rubbish, and you would be completely disgraced in the Israel. Please speak to the king. Speak to the king that, and I am sure he will give me to you. But he would not listen to her, and he was stronger than she was. He overpowered her and raped her. Means the brother raped with his own sister. So these are some references about the incest in the Bible. Dear brothers, to explain, and the purpose of telling you about this topic is not for amusing, it's not for joke or fun, it's only for getting and giving knowledge. If you want to know more, or if you want to read more about this topic, so I refer you some references in the Bible about the incest, about the fable of incest in the Bible. Genesis chapter number 38, verse number 22. Genesis chapter number 35, verse number 22. Genesis chapter number 19, verse number 15. 2 Samuel chapter number 13, verse number 11. 2 Samuel chapter number 13, verse number 14. 2 Samuel chapter number 13, verse number 12. And Leviticus chapter number 8, verse number 8 to 18. And Matthew chapter number 1, verse number 3. So these are some references about this topic. May Allah give us power to act upon the teaching of Islam. I end my speech with this.